So we like to set our screw patterns every 24 inches as per our specs. Please make sure you abide to that, because it's again, it's about the performance of the system itself, and in this particular scenario, that's about the pull-out value of our system and making sure nothing pulls out of the wall. Then I'm going 25 inches. Okay, so in this particular scenario, I'm just going to go in half. It's going to be a little smaller than 24 because this is 32, and I don't want a 32-inch spacing, so I'm just going to go in the middle, and it's going to be about half of 32, which is less than 24, but that's okay. So I'm going to set the first one, and then what I'll do is I'll level it to the other side. So now what I'll do is I'll level it. So I got 68 and 3/16 level. It's going to be something like that. 68 and 3/16. Bang! Yeah, we're bang on, baby. Beautiful. It's a beautiful thing when you got it right. It's all you gotta do. Mark it so that we know. So we're just doing the top piece of the panel here, but if there's a window here, let's say you had a window up here, you're not going to want to put a full piece here. You're going to want to have segmented back plates on this top section as well for rain screen purposes.
It's like, I don't know where my stuff are too.
I'm going to do the segmented back pieces of this back framing section, and then we'll start cutting panels and popping them in place. Stay tuned.